What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this episode, we have a weed killer battle. This is weed and grass killer, but we are just going to be spraying weeds. But we have a battle. On my right, we have Roundup, and it's one of the most popular brands out there. And on my left, again, we have Spectracide, which is another competitor of being one of the top brands in the big box store. And we are going to do a battle. We are going to see who is the best competitor. We have Roundup, we have Spectracide. Roundup says it's rainproof in 10 minutes. Spectracide says it's rainproof in 15 minutes. Now, we don't have to worry about the rainproof today because we have no rain until next week. So, other than that, it says visible results as fast as 3 hours for Spectracide, and again on this side, visible results in 3 hours. So basically, they both said they work in 3 hours. We are going to see who works the fastest, and we are going to see who works the best. Now, one thing I can say is I use Spectracide weed stop. It was like the orange bottle, and it is very strong, so beware when you spray that stuff. And Roundup, I heard a lot of people say that Roundup will kill anything and everything. So right now, I am going to spray certain areas in the lawn. I'm going to have the GoPro on it. We are going to get into this battle right now. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Okay, you guys. So before I get into this weed killer battle, before that, I know we're doing this all in fun and all, but make sure you wear your proper PPE. If you don't know what PPE is, personal protective equipment. So before you spray this stuff, use gloves. And make sure you have some good boots so you don't get your shoes chemicalized. And make sure you have safety glasses. I have safety glasses, I have regular glasses, and the whole 9 yards. So this is all in seriousness. Make sure you wear your PPE, personal protective equipment. Let's get into the battle. I'm gonna use the Roundup on the big shed, and then I'm gonna use the Spectracide on the left shed. Now, before I go out there, like I said, one last time, make sure you wear your PPE. And I got boots on, I have pants, I have long sleeve shirt, and I got a hoodie on, and I have glasses on. Also gloves. Have my gloves with me. So let's get into the video.
Oh, you got rabbits back there? You be all
Right there.
So what? What is he doing to you?
In my way.
You live to fight another day.
Now you on there scared. I said, what, you gonna leave that in when you scared? I hope you do. It smell like a what?
So we got the Spectracide that's on the left. We got the Roundup on the right. It says visible results in 3 hours. We are going to put the GoPro out there, and we're going to leave it out there for over 3 hours. I'm going to put it on the time lapse. Okay, you guys, so it's about 4 o'clock p.m. right now, and I did all this at 8 o'clock a.m. That stuff is brown. Okay, so it's been about almost 8 hours, or close to 8 hours. This stuff is brown. I sprayed back here. That weed is dead. I might spray the grass right here so I can go ahead and redo the rocks here, but that's another story. Okay, so the Roundup is over there. So over this side is the Spectracide, and it turned it brown over here too. But the Roundup looked like it's shriveled it a little bit more. But both products worked pretty good. Now I'm gonna take y'all back up and give you all my final thought. Okay, you guys, so we are back, and it's about 5 o'clock. I had the weeds out there, sprayed them. It's been about 8 hours, and I'm gonna be honest, from even when I'm looking, both products are good. Both products are awesome. Now, with the Roundup, it's light. I almost used all of this. Spectracide, I still have 24 ounces, and the Roundup don't tell you the ounces. Come on, son. All right, so what I could see, it looked like the Roundup is right here from what I could see. All right, so the Roundup is about right here. Spectracide is up here. So I still have a good amount of Spectracide. The Roundup is almost out of use. These two spray completely different. This is more of a misty spray. So this one has more of a smoother spray. It used more spray than what this uses. So this also sprays out as a foam. I could tell you that both products are good. Now, with that being said, remember, this is weed and grass killer. Weed and grass killer. Do not spray this on your lawn. And that will be it with this review. I hope y'all like it. If you like this review, leave a like. Please leave a like so this can travel through the algorithm. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. I try to answer your questions either through commenting back, or I'll try to do a video to answer your questions. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I have products coming to the channel. Catch y'all on the next one.